guys? It's Semi aka Junior here bringing another great video to the channel. If this is your first time here, I suggest, and I do mean highly suggest, you go ahead and click on that like button, hit the subscribe button, and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great new videos like this one or whenever we go live. Because trust me guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything we do on this channel, because we do a lot of great stuff. We do some great lives, some great product reviews, some website reviews. We do it all, guys. We do a lot of great stuff on this channel that you don't want to miss out. And that brings me to my website review. As you see right behind me, we have a website open up. So, and today is Wednesday. So what that is? Wednesday websites, guys. We're gonna bring you another great website to the channel. It's a great website. This is all for my people that are struggling on cooking something. They don't know what to cook. Let's say it's a Monday night and you just got home from work and you're like, oh, I got no food, I gotta cook something, but you have no idea what you got, because you look at your pantry, you look at your refrigerator, you're like, I don't have that much stuff to cook something. Guys, don't worry, this website right behind me is called Supercook.com. You go there, you just click on the stuff that you have available, it'll create ingredient stuff for you guys. It is awesome. I think it's a great website for all my people that are trying to learn how to cook, or don't know what to cook, or already knows how to cook but they want to find new recipes or new dishes. This is a great website for all your needs, guys. Awesome website in my personal opinion. Now, you might not think so. Some of you will be like, oh, thank you Semi for bringing me this. Some of you will be like, oh, this is garbage, I don't want this. No worries guys, this doesn't fit for everybody, but it fits for a lot of people as well. Especially for me, that person does not know how to really cook that much stuff. My wife is the cook in the family. I'm just the eater. So as you can see, I do eat. So anyway, let's go and shoot myself down so we can start with this review. And you can see this is the website. Once you type in supercook.com, which I will leave a link down below, it'll bring you to this page here. It might tell you to log in or get started. You don't have to log in. I'm not logged in. I didn't create an account. But if you want to keep recipes for like later on, that's nothing. This is the reason why you want to create a login. But it's up to you what you want to do. But as you see, I don't have it. Didn't create a login. So I'm in here and boom. So here on the left side, it has a whole bunch of stuff here, guys. All the ingredients that you can think of. Let me go through it real quick to show you. It has pantry essentials, vegetables and greens, mushrooms, fruits, berries, nuts and seeds, cheese, dairy and eggs, dairy-free and meat substitutions. So for my vegan people, there you guys go. Meats, poultry, fish, seafood and seaweed, herbs and spices, sugar and sweeteners, seasoning and spice blends, baking, pre-made dough and wraps. Okay, grain and cereal. I have no idea. Legumes. I have no idea. I never even know what that is. Pasta, bread and salty snacks, oil and fats, dressing and vinegar, condiments, canned foods, sauce, spread and dips, soup, stew and stock, dessert and sweet snacks, wine, beer, spirits, beverages, supplements and extracts, and that's it. Now, if you don't see something that's on the list, because this is just the beginning one. If you want to stretch them out and see what else they have, click on this little button right here, and it'll spring it out, and it'll give you more stuff here, guys. A lot more stuff, everything in that category. Now, if you're going through this list and they don't have something on your list that you want them to add in the future, on the bottom it says suggested ingredients. You click on that and you follow the instructions. I'm going to click on it right now. So I bring it here, and then you type in what you think would be a good thing to put in here. Let's say I want honey. I don't know if they probably have honey in there. I'm just gonna do honey. You hit next, and then you put in what category it should be. I would say under under seasoning, whatever. I'm gonna put it under seasoning spice. Hit next. And then if you agree with it, it looks good, you click on looks good. I'm not going to do it because I'm pretty sure they have honey. I'm not going to make them do all this again. But you guys get the idea how that works, which is awesome. I think that's an awesome thing. Once you do that, they'll send a notification to them to try to add that ingredient in there. So that works. No worries. So that's how this list will get bigger over time. It's already big enough. And you see each section has about 100 ingredients each. This one is 71, 100, 150, 100, 100, 100. So it has a lot of stuff here, guys. So how does this work? As you type in your ingredients, it'll start giving you options on the side. Let's say I have milk. Right now it says I only click on milk. I'm like, there's nothing much I can do with milk, but they'll give you suggestions in here. I got onion, I got eggs, I got butter. All right, so I got those stuff there. And then I can go down here. I got what type of mushrooms, wild mushrooms, portobello mushroom. I got mango, apple, lemon, orange. So as you see, as I'm typing and clicking on ingredients, I'll put it in there. I'm gonna go down to meats. Okay. Let's go down here to meats. I got bacon, pork chop, beef steak, deli ham, sausage. Okay, so that's enough clicking because I can go through the whole list and start clicking on everything and I can go from there. But for what I clicked so far, it gives me a bunch of ingredients here for different dishes. So you can go through here and see what you want to eat. Like, okay, ooh, I like this, whatever you want. Great. Okay, some have videos that you can look at, which I'm going to click on one of the ones that have videos. Okay, this one says over scrambled eggs. You have all 3 ingredients to make this. And let's see if I can find something that says that I'm missing ingredients. Which I don't think I have anything here that's going to say I'm missing ingredients to create. What I'm going to do next, I'm just going to click on milk. And then I'll show you, just delete everything else and just click on milk and take it from there. Alright, so with the one with the video, I'm going to click on this one. Oven scrambled eggs. I'm going to click on this one here. And then I'll bring a video over here. Okay, so the video is not available to teach you how to cook it, but normally it'll be here. But once you see this, it'll give you all the recipes here, what you need. It gives you all the calorie and nutrition facts here. And if you want the full recipe, click on full recipe. And it'll take it to an external website, which is going to be for all recipes. I used that recipe a long time ago when I started cooking healthy food. I like this because it keeps track of all your how much calories it has. So I like this website as well. I actually have the app on my phone, and here it'll teach you how to cook it, everything with pictures and everything. All right, let's go back. Let me click on another one with pictures. Bake bacon, eggs in oven. Let's see this one. Let's see. And here it has the video. As you see here, if I click play, I'll start playing the video right here. And it'll show you how it looks and everything, so you know how to cook it. It's only a minute video. Tells you how to mix it real quick. But again, if you want the full recipe, it'll take you to another website. The website tells you, it shows you right here in the bottom. If you click on full recipe, it'll take you to this keto vow. I've never been here. It looks decent. And boom, it gives you the same thing like all recipe website did. And then just follow the instructions, guys. It's so simple, guys. That's what I like it. It's a source to help you find food to eat. So now I'm gonna unclick everything because I just want to click on one item and see what cooks for me. I did milk. Let me see. I'm gonna unclick everything. Okay, so the only thing I did is click on milk. All right, guys. So as you can see here, it gives you options for just milk. I guess you can make stuff with milk alone. I don't know what you can make with milk. It says you can make your own powdered milk at home, instant mama recipe. I don't know. All you need is milk. So this was not a good example of something that if you're missing ingredients. So I'm gonna unclick milk because we're not, because it gives me ingredients, and I'm gonna click on something else. I'm gonna try soy sauce. All right, give it a second for it to load up. Okay, with soy sauce, it works. As you can see here, I clicked only on soy sauce, nothing else is clicked, and it's already telling me, giving me suggestions for recipes that I could make with soy sauce, and it's telling me what I'm missing. Like easy slow cooker chicken, I'm missing the whole chicken. Wasabi soy dipping sauce, I'm missing the wasabi. Here, the umami avocado snack, I'm missing avocado. So it gives you suggested recipes with what you're missing, and you can use this to create it, which I think is awesome. Even if you don't have any recipe, maybe you forgot that, oh, I do have that, let me click on this recipe. Could work for you guys. So even if you're missing recipes, this will work for you. So really, guys, check it out, because I think this is awesome. But you guys get the idea how this website works. It's awesome. It gives you a lot of options to do different things. And hopefully this is something that you might enjoy for yourself. If you like this video and everything I had to show you today, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show the channel. Also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And if you still haven't done so to the end of the video, guys, hit the subscribe button, enable bell notifications, so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one, whenever we go live. Because trust me, guys, you never ever want to miss out on anything we do on this channel, because we do some great stuff. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.